Hello mga boss! Ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-YouTube habang nagfe-Facebook. Bihira lang ito sa YouTube na may gumagawa na video katulad nito, at napakaswerte mo kasi napanood mo ito. Okay, simulan na natin. Una, pumunta sa Chrome, sundan mo lang ang aking gagawin. Pagkatapos natin mag-download, install na natin.
I know you from someone wake me up from this dream, 'cause everything is not as it seems. Deja vu is taking.
Open na natin at sundin nyo lang ako.
I know you from some other world. Someone wake me up from this dream, 'cause everything is not as it seems. Deja vu is taking over. I know you.
At ngayon, ang YouTube Vanced naman ang ating i-install.
Wake me up from this dream, 'cause everything is not as it seems.
Naiinip na kayo dahil napakatagal mag-download, forward nyo lang po ang video.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Maghintay lang sandali at pwede na itong ma-open. Ayan, sa wakas na install na. Ngayon ay open na natin at subukan.
I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around.
Kapag okay nang pwede mo na itong i-uninstall, itong installer na ginamit natin kanina.
out his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made it stop.
Pwede nyo naman itong i-click kapag music lang ang gusto nyong lumabas. So ayan mga boss. Sana may bago kayong natutunan, at sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating video. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman ay i-click nyo na ang like at paki-click na din ng subscribe, at notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga video katulad nito. Salamat sa panunood.